blended learning. I am Dr. Reshmi KS, Assistant Professor, Kerala University College of Teacher Education, Nedumangad, Trivandrum. Blended learning is also known as hybrid mode learning or mixed mode learning. Meaning of blended learning. Blended learning is a learning model that combines both formal and non-formal methodologies. Formal methodology refers to traditional classroom and non-formal refers to online courses. It is a model that integrates technology to boost learning and its impact. It combines online educational materials and opportunities for interaction online with traditional place-based classroom methods. It requires the physical presence of both teacher and student with some elements of student control over time, place, path or pace. We can see that blended learning is a combination of classroom training and e-learning. Characteristics of blended learning. Blended learning is a formal educational program. It constitutes online and in-person learning experiences. Students learn at least a part of the content via digital or online media. Blended learning includes online part which can be live video, video recorded lectures, text chats, etc. In addition to online lesson, there is a traditional classroom teaching or students work independently on online lessons, projects, assignments and meet teachers for review. Blended learning can be face-to-face training, virtual classroom, webinars, links, simulations, assessment, one-on-one coaching, etc. Any combination of these can be blended learning. Implementation of blended learning. Choose a suitable LMS. Based on the blended learning strategies and students' need, the teacher must choose a suitable LMS. Second point is communicate the blended learning objectives. Students must know when or why to use technology for their training process. Then, the combination between technology and face-to-face training will be clear and students understand when to use what. Create a flexible learning strategies. Blended learning is a model that needs a lot of flexibility. Before the official launch, test the LMS and training materials and optimize the strategy and content in order to fit the students' needs. Include effective assessments in the program. Develop pre and post training assessments for the students. If some courses will be online, the assessments can be at the end of the course. For example, use a multiple or single choice quiz and other interactive assessments. Last, build a blended learning community. Being and feeling as part of a community that supports technology assisted teaching is an effective way to increase engagement. Blended learning. You can see that there are 4 types of blended learning given here. First one is the rotation model, then the second one flex model, third one a la carte model and fourth one enriched virtual model. And the rotation model has still further divided into 4 types. You can see it here. The rotation model. In rotation model, students rotate on a fixed schedule or at teacher's discretion between learning methods. At least one is online learning. That is online learning, the one which is compulsory, plus small group instruction or group projects or individual tutoring or traditional classwork which consists of pencil paper assignments. So one is compulsory online learning plus any of the combinations given below can be used in the rotational model. Types of rotation. Station rotation. Students rotate through all stations. Lab rotation. Students rotate to a computer lab for online learning station. For online learning, at least one is a learning lab while other is the additional classroom or classrooms or house. Flipped classroom. The delivery of content or instruction is online. For traditional type of homework which you are giving here, the students participate in online learning off-site. Individual rotation. Students has individualized playlist and need not rotate to each available station. You can see the diagram of a station rotation chart, and the students, you can see 3 groups of students and 3 timings are given. Students rotate through all the stations. This is the lab rotation model. Then flipped learning approach. In the figure given on the right side, you can see the school and also the other one. Individual rotation. A la carte model. It is a French phrase meaning by the card or according to the menu, and it refers to food that can be ordered as separate items rather than part of a set meal. Here in a la carte model, teacher is online. Classes are conducted in school or off campus. No real teacher is there, so differ from real school experience. Students comes to school and the online teacher teaches. In flex model, the basis is online learning where offline activities are also given. Students comes to school and the teacher is online. On need basis, the teacher is available for face-to-face support. This is the difference with a la carte model where the face-to-face availability of teacher does not occur. In enriched virtual model, learning is online and face-to-face interaction with teacher on record is also possible. Remaining work is done at home. Same teacher may be available online and face-to-face interaction. Students seldom meet face-to-face with teachers. Advantages of blended learning. First one is cost efficient. It improves training cost. No question of missing of courses or classes, traveling cost or taking time off work for constant training. Easily combine classroom trainings with pre-registered courses. Organize a live training online for students to update with everything. Consistent in activities and pre-training. Everybody can be on the same page even before starting the in-class training. Send them reading materials, videos and pre-course questionnaires so that they can come prepared. Access the content from everywhere, anytime, on any device. Student can be constantly connected to your content. They can even download courses so they can access them without internet access if necessary. Increase user engagement easily. The combination of multimedia and instructional designing makes the perfect recipe for a rich learning experience. Students can go back to the course whenever they want, so they can deliver great results over time. Great insightful reports about your students. Analyze the activity of your students and see where they are excelling and where they are struggling. This way you can optimize the content accordingly. Disadvantages. Strong dependence on technology. Then comes the question of reliability of tools and also IT literacy. Now you can see the conclusion. Blended learning, combination of brick mortar and online learning. Then the types of blended learning and the different types of rotation model also. Here you can see the blended learning, how it effectively combines the classroom as well as online learning Thank you.